Welcome to Stapler Repair 101. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of fixing your stapler T20 and T25 models. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. Grab a screwdriver and any replacement parts you may need. Step 2. Disassemble the stapler. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws and carefully separate the parts. Step 3. Identify the issue. Take a close look at each component to check for any damage or misalignment. Step 4. Fix the problem. Refer to the troubleshooting tips provided in the manual to resolve the issue. Step 5. Reassemble the stapler. Put all the parts back together and make sure to tighten the screws.